Please remain standing for the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Please be seated. Color Guard and flag bearers may retreat. Good morning and welcome. I'm Jim Fisher, Interim Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs. Today we come together to recognize and celebrate an important achievement in the lives of our undergraduate students, the completion of their degrees. Many students come to college to prepare for careers, but regardless of your major, English, art, social work, management, education, chemistry, what is most important is that you are graduating from Edinboro today as an educated adult. You have committed to excellence in your chosen field, but on the foundation of a strong liberal education, you know how to reason, how to question, and how to express your ideas. You see the world as it is in all of its complexity, and you have a vision of the world as you'd like it to be. You can never stop learning. You have to remain open to new ideas, new technologies, and new ways of thinking. The world will change at a rapid pace throughout your lives, and that is not something to fear, but to understand and engage. It's exciting, actually. We are proud that Edinboro University has been a part of your education, and that pride is shared by Edinboro's leadership and faculty. I hope that you will use your developed talents to make a difference, not just in your career or industry, but also in your community and nation. At this time, I would like to extend special thanks to our musicians, the Edinboro University Pipes and Drums, directed by Dr. Patrick Regan, and music major Caitlin Halleck, leading the national anthem. Please join me in thanking all of our musicians for sharing their talents with us. We value student success and academics very highly at Edinboro University. Students are at the center of everything that we do, and faculty members are key to the accomplishment of our educational mission. Edinboro University is proud to be served by an outstanding faculty who are committed to creating a learning environment that promotes academic excellence, personal and cultural growth, and service. Each academic department designates a faculty marshal to represent the leadership our faculty provides. These individuals are wearing red robes and medallions to signify their special role and are seated with our graduating students. Their names and departments are listed in your program. I ask that the faculty marshals stand as a group so that we may recognize them. Please join me in acknowledging our faculty marshals. Thank you. You may be seated. I would ask the mace bearer for today's ceremony, Dr. Timothy Thompson, to stand at this time. Dr. Thompson led the academic procession and represented his faculty colleagues by carrying the ceremonial mace. A member of the faculty in the Department of Communication, Journalism, and Media, Dr. Thompson joined the university in 1990. He earned baccalaureate and master's degrees in communications and a PhD in interpersonal and public communication, all from Bowling Green State University. Founding director of the Edinboro University Highland Games and Scottish Festival in 1992, Dr. Thompson continues to involve his students in the planning and implementation of the games, complementing the theories he teaches in the classroom with invaluable hands-on experience. This annual event, now in its 25th year, brings community members as well as musicians, dancers, and people of Scottish heritage from throughout the region to campus to celebrate the university's heritage. Dr. Thompson's students plan and implement fundraising events as part of the Big Wish for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Since 2008, these groups have raised over $25,000 for Make-A-Wish Foundation. Beginning in 1998, Dr. Thompson collaborated with his faculty colleagues to organize the university's study abroad program in Scotland, in which he also teaches. Dr. Thompson was recently selected as Edinboro University's 2018 Faculty Member of the Year. Please join me again in acknowledging Dr. Thompson. I will now introduce the rest of the dais party at this time. I ask that they stand and remain standing until all are introduced. Please hold your applause. From the Edinboro University Council of Trustees, Trustee Daniel Hyam, Secretary, Trustee Anthony Perella, Student Trustee Savannah Anderton, Xavier Williams, President of Public Sector and Wholesale Solutions for AT&T Services Incorporated, Dr. Stacy Wolbert, Associate Provost and Interim Dean of Students, Dr. Scott Miller, Dean of the College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences and Dean of the School of Business, Dr. Aaron Lake, Interim Dean of the School of Education and Executive Director of Graduate Studies and Research, Dr. Roy Shin, Associate Dean of the College of Science and Health Professions, Scott Erlbacher, President of the Alumni Association Board of Directors, Nicole Wagner, candidate for the Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, Dr. Alan Golden, Interim Vice President for Finance and Administration, Dr. William Edmonds, Vice President for Enrollment Management, Angela Burrows, Assistant Vice President for Marketing and Communications, Marilyn Gellner, Vice President for University Advancement, and Dr. Michael Hannon, Interim President of Edinboro University. Thank you. Please be seated. Presiding over today's commencement ceremony is Edinboro University's interim president, Dr. Michael Hannon. Dr. Hannon, will you please stand? Michael J. Hannon became the interim president of Edinboro University in April 2018 after serving as Edinboro's provost since 2014. He brings 30 years of experience to the office of the president at Edinboro, where he first joined the faculty as an assistant professor in 1988 and later served for 8 years as chair of the Department of Business and Economics. He was named interim provost in 2012 and provost 2 years later. Dr. Hannon earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in economics with a minor in political science from the University of Pittsburgh. He earned a PhD in mineral resource economics from West Virginia University, specializing in regional economics and economic modeling. Please join me in welcoming our interim president, Dr. Hannon.
Thank you very much. I would like to extend a special welcome to the trustees who are here with us today, as well as our alumnus and honorary doctorate recipient, Mr. Xavier Williams, and his family. More than 600 graduates are with us here today to celebrate the years of hard work and an important life achievement in earning your university degrees. I am so proud of your accomplishments, and I'm very honored to be your president and to be here to award your degrees to you today. Commencement is the most important day in the life of the university. It is both an ending and a beginning. It is an end to the fun of late-night studying, cramming, taking exams, and finishing term papers and projects just in time, at least for your undergraduate degree. But it's also the beginning of new careers, adventures, and experiences that you're going to pursue paths beyond the Edinboro community. It's the beginning of the next phase of your life, where I'm confident you'll contribute to both your professions and to society. It's my pleasure to also welcome parents, grandparents, and other family members and friends of our graduates. As a parent, I know the tremendous effort that has gone into making this day possible and all the hopes that you have for your graduates' future. I also know that you also contributed to these accomplishments that we celebrate here today. I ask at this time that the graduates and others present with me recognize all of you who, by your support, your love, and encouragement, have contributed much to the success of those who are graduating today. To the parents, grandparents, and friends. There must be something good on TV, because most people seem to be looking there. Any case, congratulations again to our graduates. I know you have the education and experiences to prepare you well for the opportunities that are ahead. As each of you pursues your career or advanced degree, you will continue to build on the solid foundation of your Edinboro education. And we will continue to be here with you as you go out into the world to represent Edinboro as a fellow Fighting Scot. I applaud your academic success and hard work that has resulted in this celebration and wish you the best in your professional and personal lives. Congratulations.
Savannah Anderton, student representative to the Edinboro University Council of Trustees, will offer greetings on behalf of the council. Please join me in a warm welcome for Trustee Anderton.
Good morning. So, on behalf of the Edinboro University Council of Trustees, I would like to welcome you to the Spring 2018 Undergraduate Commencement Ceremony. My name is Savannah Anderton, and I have had the honor of serving as the student representative on the Council of Trustees for nearly 2 years. In this role, I have been the voice for the 6,000-person student body. This experience has humbled me, and I am so grateful to my fellow students for allowing me to hear you and represent your interests. On a personal note, I would like to thank my dedicated, loving parents, Stacy and Bill Hetrick, my understanding, kind partner, Nathan Guinea, my siblings, grandparents, mentors, friends, professors, fellow trustees, and members of the Edinboro University administration who have nurtured me along the way. For every step of my Edinboro journey, there have been people cheering me on, guiding me, and encouraging me, and for that, I'm incredibly thankful. Edinboro University is a special place, and I am so proud to be a Fighting Scot. I am delighted to pass the responsibilities of student trustee on to my friend, Kyle Herseys. I have great faith in his ability to serve the students of Edinboro. To the graduates, friends, significant others, family members, and others here to celebrate with us today, the Council of Trustees welcomes you to the Spring 2018 Undergraduate Commencement Ceremony. Thank you.
One of the most significant honors that a university can bestow is the honorary doctorate. Today, we take great pride in awarding such a degree to Xavier Williams. Mr. Williams, will you please stand? I would just like to note that I am a normal height for an adult male. Now back to our script. Xavier Williams serves as the President of Public Sector and Wholesale Solutions for AT&T Services. He is a native of Washington, D.C., and a 1989 graduate of Edinboro University, earning a baccalaureate degree in business administration and a minor in mathematics. Mr. Williams also played basketball for the Edinboro Fighting Scots and went on to earn his MBA at the University of Pittsburgh. In his current role, he has responsibility for AT&T government clients at the federal, state, and local levels, as well as education customers and wholesale customers globally. During his AT&T career, Mr. Williams has amassed extensive leadership experience through his service in a variety of executive positions across the corporation. Prior to his current position, Mr. Williams served as president of AT&T Business Operations, where he derived operational efficiencies to deliver a positive customer experience for the company's 3.5 million business customers in nearly 200 countries and territories. Mr. Williams received Edinboro University's Distinguished Alumni Award and the AT&T Corporation Chairman's Diversity Award. He was recognized by the USA Freedom Corporation for dedication to volunteer services, and by Diversity MBA as one of the top 100 under 50 executive leaders. Mr. Williams has served as a member of the boards of directors of the Make-A-Wish America Foundation, the Urban League of Pittsburgh, the AT&T Foundation, Pennsylvania State System of Higher Education Foundation, Jarvis Christian College, the National Sales Network, and AT&T University. Mr. Williams, your citation reads as follows. In recognition of your leadership in business, which has had positive and lasting impact on both individuals and institutions, for your focus on product quality and customer service as engines of productivity and satisfaction, for your consistent support of your undergraduate alma mater by providing opportunities for students to emulate your own achievements, for your dedication to the ideals of diversity in the workplace, which can provide access to opportunity for all persons, for your commitment to education as a catalyst for individual and societal accomplishment, and for your inspiration to serve others. The President and Council of Trustees at Edinboro University hereby confer upon Xavier Williams the degree of Doctor of Public Service. Congratulations.
So good morning, everyone. So for the graduates, I need y'all to be a little interactive with me today. Are you okay with that? Okay, so I want to first thank President Hannon, Trustee Hyam, all members of the Council of Trustees, and Provost Fisher. Thank you very much for this opportunity today. Hello, graduating class of 2018. And hello and welcome to your families, friends, and the entire Edinboro community. I'm honored to be back here at the Borough speaking to you today. Today's a very special day, one you should be incredibly proud of, one you will remember for the rest of your lives. To the class of 2018, you're here because of your achievements, your hard work, your perseverance, and your commitment. I too once sat where you are, here among the Edinboro family, listening to this commencement program, and I know how you feel. There's incredible joy, excitement, anticipation, and the feeling of, I hope this guy finishes soon. You're probably feeling a tinge of sweet sadness. Today, tonight, and tomorrow, you'll say goodbye to faculty and friends. But these relationships will stay with you for life. So make it see you later rather than goodbye. And you may be a little nervous. You've dedicated yourself to get to this point. So what now? What's next? The mix of emotions can be overwhelming. But no matter what you're feeling, today is a joyful celebration. You've earned this moment. We only get so many of these in our lifetimes. Relish it. Cherish it. Own it. You are now Edinboro graduates. As an alumnus of the borough, I share your joy, and I'm proud to be among you and to count you as part of the Edinboro University family. Congratulations. Being an Edinboro graduate means you are uniquely capable of handling the change that awaits you. Don't enter the next chapter timidly. Run, jump, leap. Embrace what's next, even if you're still figuring out what that is. I have confidence that you will take your borough experience with you wherever you go in life. I did, and I'm ever grateful for the advantages of being a student here. So what does an Edinboro education consist of? Well, I think we could agree on one big part of an Edinboro education: snow. I grew up in Washington, D.C., and my road to Edinboro was caused by all things a snow day. In D.C., 2 inches of snow shuts down the entire city. And on a February day many, many years ago, I was introduced to the borough, or maybe I should say the borough found me. You see, I played high school basketball. And on that snowy day in February, schools were closed in D.C. So I headed over to a local gym to kill some time. Now, you could call it luck, or you could call it fate. But it just so happened that Edinboro's assistant basketball coach at the time, a young man by the name of Tim Smiley, was visiting the gym that very same day. He was there to scout someone else, but I was there and he liked what he saw. After being recruited over time, I was offered both an academic and an athletic scholarship. To be clear, during the recruitment process, no one ever mentioned snow. A few months later, I landed here. And then I faced my first Edinboro winter in the epic snow. I heard words that I had never heard before, like lake effect snow, squalls, snow drifts. To top it off, I'll just say I had a winter coat that was appropriate for Washington, D.C., and not Edinboro, Pennsylvania. As a student at the borough, Mother Nature forces you to navigate your way through challenging conditions just to get to class, every year for months at a time. It's a test of willpower, endurance, tenacity, and commitment. But you make it through. You persevere. Those graduating today, took whatever Mother Nature gave and still made it to class. Because you had a goal to reach, this moment, right now, graduation. It's a metaphor for life. As you go out into the world, you will find that worthwhile things in life require drive, commitment, and hard work. If it's worthwhile, it won't come easy. In the life you're going to start tomorrow, you'll need to muster endurance, patience, and fortitude to overcome obstacles that will change around you and within you. But if you could stay focused on what's important, you could reach whatever goal you set for yourself, just like you've done today. So be grateful for the snow experience. Here at the Borough, it nicely complements the fantastic and broadly liberal education that Edinboro offers. It's one of the many ways you are now prepared for your life ahead. And the snow was free. Seriously though, I believe Edinboro is a special place. It offers a uniquely rewarding combination of academics, athletics, curricula, and faculty. And it's filled with special people. Bringing me to my second aspect of an Edinboro education, people. When I look back on my time here, I always think about the people education that, among others, Foster Debold, the former president of Edinboro, gave to me. As some of you may know, he recently passed. He became president of Edinboro in 1979 and led it through some very challenging times. In his 17 years, President Debold stabilized Edinboro through financial and environmental challenges. He had a major impact on the sports program, getting our athletics elevated to NCAA Division II status, the wrestling program elevated to Division I, and winning 4 national and 33 state titles across the athletic programs. He was ahead of his time with respect to accommodating students with disabilities across the campus, well before the passage of the American with Disabilities Act in 1990. And he understood the value of giving back through mentorship. He took me under his wing when I attended here in the 1980s. I was a good student, a fair athlete, and president of what was then called Minority Students United. And President Debold made it a point to reach out to me. We started once a month breakfast meetings, and that evolved into a friendship. Our backgrounds were worlds apart. Yet he took time to get to know me as an individual, to share his thoughts with me, to let me learn from him, and just as importantly, he learned from me. He was one of my first mentors, and the time he invested in me will stay with me forever. This taught me an important lesson in life. Take time to get to know the people around you. Invest in them. Learn from them. Because you never know who will have an impact on your life, and you'll never know whose life you can change by doing the same thing. That's not my mother, but thank you. Every conversation I had here at the Borough, whether it was with a fellow student, a professor, a faculty member, or alumnus, affected and influenced me. My time at Edinboro taught me the importance of learning from one another, investing in one another, embracing different backgrounds. This shaped my thinking on diversity, not just race, sex, or religion, but diversity of thought, diversity in experience, diversity in problem solving. So no matter where you go next, your people education at Edinboro will impact the way you see and approach the world around you. It will help you adapt to changes around you. This brings me to my third attribute of an Edinboro education, gratitude. Take a look around you. Each of you put in a tremendous amount of work to be sitting here today, and you should be very proud of that. But none of you got to this point on your own. Your family, friends, and loved ones supported and encouraged you along the way. Your classmates challenged your way of thinking, and your professors and faculty helped you learn and excel. And so it is in life. We evolve and grow continuously, always with a little help from our friends, our families, our networks of support. They deserve our gratitude, and by showing them gratitude, we enrich ourselves. Gratitude is the currency we use to reward the many acts of human kindness we experience in life. We mint it in ourselves, and we reap its rewards for as long as we give it. There will always be people in your life that will help you reach the goals you set for yourself, but you must take the time to recognize that those that are willing to help you, to appreciate those relationships and to foster those relationships. So for the graduates and the graduates only, let's do that right now. Let's start by thanking your fellow classmates. Now, your teachers and faculty. And finally, and I'm going to give y'all a sense, you should probably stand up for this one, those that probably sacrifice more than you'll ever know to help make this day happen, your parents and your families. Okay, y'all can sit back down. They're gonna time me in a minute, I'm gonna get the hook. Please don't forget what you learned from many people here at the Borough who helped you succeed. And know that you are not alone in your future endeavors. And that future begins tomorrow. Tomorrow, you will start a new chapter in your life. There will be people who tell you it's time to go out in the world and make something of yourself. You will be encouraged to become a success. For some, success is measured in money, fame, or other forms of social status. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide what's important. It's your life, your happiness, your path to choose. Set the bar high and dream big, because with the Edinboro education, there isn't a bar high enough that you can't reach. You came to Edinboro to learn, and while you were here, you learned quite a bit. But let me let you in on a little secret. The most important thing that you've learned during your time here at the Borough is you. Who you are and how to be the best version of yourself. That's the real value of an Edinboro education. Now that you have this very special and unique education filled with snow, people, and gratitude, and that you know yourself, you can change this world. You are an Edinboro graduate. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Williams, for your message and for your steadfast support of Edinboro University and our students. The Edinboro University Singers and Chorale, under the direction of Craig McCaughey, will now perform For Good from Wicked.
But I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me. You'll be with me. Like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its glory by a wind of the sea, like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blamed me for.
But then I guess we know there's blame to share.
And none of it seems to matter anymore. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better. Because I knew you.
Because I knew you.
Because I knew you. I have been changed for
Thank you to our student musicians. The student address will be delivered by Nicole Wagner, who is graduating summa cum laude with a Bachelor of Science in Chemistry and a concentration in biochemistry. Ms. Wagner, will you please stand? Nicole was named 2015 Outstanding First-Year Chemistry Student by the American Chemical Society, Erie Local Station. She received the 2016 Organic Chemistry Award from Edinboro University's Department of Chemistry and a 2018 College Chemistry Award from the Society for Analytical Chemists of Pittsburgh. Nicole has been employed as a laboratory assistant in the chemistry department for 4 years. For 2 summers, she earned competitive positions in the National Science Foundation's Research Experience for Undergraduates program. She spent 1 summer at the University of Minnesota and the other at North Carolina State University, participating in immersive biochemistry research experiences alongside faculty and graduate students. Nicole also participated in independent biochemistry research during her final year at Edinboro and took 2nd place in the College of Science and Health Professions Division at the 5th Annual Celebration of Scholarship. Just recently, the Cleveland Regional Section of the Society for Applied Spectroscopy awarded Nicole the 2018 Ernest B. Yeager Award for Outstanding Undergraduate Research. Nicole will begin her studies toward a PhD in biochemistry at The Ohio State University in the fall. She was awarded a Dean's Distinguished University Fellowship from Ohio State's Graduate School, a competitive fellowship based on her undergraduate record. Nicole is a native of Erie, Pennsylvania, and is the daughter of James and Carol Wagner. Please welcome Nicole Wagner.
Good morning, class of 2018. Many of us graduating today have not had an easy path. There are always obstacles in a journey like this. For me, that obstacle was my own fear. I never thought I would be standing here today, especially not graduating with a degree in biochemistry. I came to Edinboro as a nursing major, but I wasn't certain that it was the right fit for me. It just seemed like the practical choice. Then I took my first chemistry class, and I realized that my true passion and my future was in science. That realization was instrumental in helping me overcome my apprehension and take advantage of the opportunities that were in front of me. Edinboro took a kid from a blue-collar background in Erie, Pennsylvania, who never knew that science could be a career path. A kid who went to a cyber charter school for high school and had never set foot in a science lab before college, and turned her into a future PhD student in biochemistry. Isaac Newton said that, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." During my time at Edinboro, I have accomplished more than I ever thought I could, but I didn't do any of it on my own. The community I discovered in the chemistry department ended up being a place where I was finally in my element. It's a place of inspiration, friendship, mentorship, collaboration, and opportunity. It's home. It's a place where I've stood on the shoulders of giants. But as I stand here and tell you that the chemistry department is the greatest, I hope that most of you disagree with me. I hope that you all believe your own major department, whatever that may be, is the greatest. I hope each of us is graduating today having built a network and a community around us that we never would have found if we hadn't come to Edinboro. We are all here today because we valued the pursuit of knowledge enough to endure the obstacles we may have encountered along the way. So the most important thing left for me to say is thank you. Thank you not only for listening to me today, but for making this university the special place that it is. Please keep putting your best foot forward in everything that you do. When the celebration of today is over, we'll all be moving on to our next adventure. And thanks to Edinboro, we will be well prepared. Thank you, and congratulations, class of 2018.
We have now come to the heart of our ceremony, the awarding of degrees. Will the President's assistants please come to the stage? Dr. Mary Jo Melvin of the Early Childhood and Reading Department and Dr. Heather Barron, Middle and Secondary Education and Educational Leadership Department, will assist the President today. Their role in the distribution of diplomas symbolizes the contributions of the faculty to the achievement of the students. In a few moments, the May undergraduate class of 2018 will be receiving their diplomas. Note that a number of them are wearing honor stoles and cords, which signify special academic achievement. Success in academic endeavors requires discipline and persistence in acquiring new knowledge and skills. So at this time, I ask those students who have distinguished themselves as scholars and who are graduating with honors to please stand so that they may be recognized. going to do a little standing and sitting now, so be ready. Our summa cum laude graduates are wearing gold stoles and have earned cumulative grade point averages of 3.8 to 4.0. Will the degree candidates graduating summa cum laude please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Our magna cum laude graduates are wearing white stoles and have earned cumulative grade point averages of 3.6 to 3.79. Will the degree candidates graduating magna cum laude please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Our cum laude graduates are wearing red stoles and have earned cumulative grade point averages of 3.4 to 3.59. Will the degree candidates graduating cum laude please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Our graduates of the Edinboro University Honors Program are wearing gold cords to signify completion of that program. Will the degree candidates graduating with Edinboro University Honors diplomas please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. We would also like to recognize the students who were recently commissioned or soon to be commissioned as second lieutenants in the U.S. Army. Will you please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. One of the highlights of this academic year is the graduation today of our first cohort of students in the partnership program between Edinboro University and North Coast Flight School. 3 students with a combined grade point average of 3.2 out of 4.0 will receive the Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology degree in the aeronautical program later in the ceremony. We are excited and proud of these pioneering students and their success. Would the degree candidates from the aeronautical program please stand? Thank you. You may be seated. Will all candidates for the associate and baccalaureate degrees please rise? President Hannon, it is my pleasure to present to you the candidates for the academic degrees to be awarded this morning.
Thank you. There's a lot of them. By virtue of the power vested in me by the Board of Governors of Pennsylvania State System of Higher Education and the Council of Trustees of Edinboro University, I hereby confer upon you the degree to which you are entitled, with all rights, privileges, and responsibilities pertaining thereto. In testimony whereof, I will present you a diploma with the seal of the Commonwealth and authorized signatures affixed. Congratulations, and please be seated.
Will the candidates for the Associate and Baccalaureate degrees from the School of Business please come forward?
Ayub Ali, Warren, Michigan, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Francis Dixon, Copley, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Lamont Franklin Davis Jr., Salisbury, Maryland, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Bryce Bauer, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Tavius Bridges, Bellevue Lake, Florida, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Zari Brooks, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Leslie Colinello, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Andre Crosby, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Daniel Fernandez, San Jose, Costa Rica, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Gavin Ford, Buffalo, New York, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Toluwanimifo Obaje, Nigeria, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Lindsay Good, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Brandon Hall, Lake City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration, Bachelor of Arts, Philosophy.
Jordan Hewell, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Lewis Hill, Fairlawn, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Simba Jangira, Queens, New York, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Caitlin Kolb, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Jensen Laurie, Charleston, West Virginia, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Courtney Martin, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Aisha Osondoguike, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Megan Oler, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Craig Osmond, Sharon, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Giuseppe Ozella, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Angelos Paradises, Yonkers, New York, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Adam Pearson, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Jacob Ron, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Haley Roll, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Amy Ruhlman, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Adina Schlee, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Gabriella Schultz, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Michael Sims, Bachelor's Science, Business.
Brandon Stomsky, Harbor Creek, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Parker Stanley, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Matthew Stefanson, Newberry, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Michelle Sterrett, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Stephanie Stover, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Catherine Stewart, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Marquita Tate, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Ashton Williams, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Taylor Wolfelder, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Roxana Yeh, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Megan Groner, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Economics.
Jeffrey Burdick, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Stephanie Church, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Enjoy the day. Go ahead.
Constance DeBacco, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Bradley Gonda, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Christy Hamill, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Kevin Kala, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Da Lur, Associate of Science, Business Administration. Jennifer Walls, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Will the candidates for associate and baccalaureate degrees in the School of Education please come forward?
Eve Bruce, Union City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Megan Butino, Warren, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Courtney Pitchfield, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Mara Egley, Albion, PA, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Leah Martin, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education. Heather McMillan, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Rebecca Sheriff, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Annalise Winry, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood Education.
Allie Wilcox, Union City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Julia Boyd, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education. Cassidy Chambers, Newberry, Ohio, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Kayla Cox, Perry, Ohio, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Ashley Crawford, Oil City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Sarah Deininger, Grove City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Lakin Enzo, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Kristen Fink, Corey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Michelle Gardner, Union City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Alyssa Grove, Cooperstown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Cody Hartnett, Johnsburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Ashley Harry, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Christina Keith, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelors of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Courtney Kimmy, Cranesville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Chloe Krause, Beaver, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education. Christina LaChica, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Abigail Mikulak, Fairview, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Kenzie O'Collick, Oil City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Jessica Porter, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Haley Stewart, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Kara Thorpe, Clearfield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Nicole Lawson, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Alexis Weaver, Franklin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Rebecca Wolf, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Ashley Zaborowski, Fairview, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
David Zaleski, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Montana Schertz, Fairview, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Maggie Bourne, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Sierra Ferrara, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Catherine Glunt, Linesville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education. Savannah Anderton, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Biology.
Elizabeth Hartman, Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
James Miller, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Sarah Kromick, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Biology.
Casey Conrad Medvis, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Comprehensive English.
Grace Laharian, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Comprehensive English.
Andrea Wells, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Comprehensive English.
Brittany Calladine, West Springfield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Mathematics.
Sean Patrick Brady, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Ed Social Studies.
Elizabeth Cole, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Social Studies.
Brandon Pappalardo, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Education, Secondary Education, Social Studies.
Ethan Walker, Oakstown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Secondary Education, Social Studies.
Heather Ames, Randolph, New York, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Nick Barlett, Dunkirk, New York, Bachelor of Science, Sport and Recreation Administration.
Michael Beck, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Alexandria Bresky, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Andrew Chase, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Carmen Davis, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Joseph Dunn, Girard, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Ashton Fiegel, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Ryan Fromholzer, Bridgefield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Kristen Gordon, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Andrew Greaves, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Erica Hansen, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Ryan Harkness, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Alex Hoban, Union City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Nicole Alana Johnson, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
William Speed, Charlotte, North Carolina, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Shannon Kurtz, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Victoria McAtee, Waterford, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Casey Mitchell, Jamestown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Chaz Meitinger, New Berlin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Taylor Payne, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Casey Paulison, Mansfield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor's of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Erica Rhodes, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Holly Stein, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Michael Shankles, Muscle Shoals, Alabama, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Camille Rose, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Carrie Stevens, Pearl Springs, Florida, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Derek Washington, Plainfield, New Jersey, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
John Washington, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Congratulations. Go ahead.
Hannah Whistler, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Emily Wadomski, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Mark Wilson, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Kaylin Weiser, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Kristen Regal, Associate of Science, Preschool Education.
Will the candidates for the Associate Baccalaureate degrees from the College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences please step forward?
Hannah Breaker, Washington, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Anthropology.
Hope Carroll, Bachelor of Arts, Anthropology.
Nicholas Capelli, Ridgeway, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Anthropology.
Stacia Warren, Warren, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Anthropology.
Jenna Murphy, Bachelor of Arts, Art History.
Erin Boring, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Ryan Buell, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Nia Clark, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Samara Griggs, Conneaut, Ohio, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Rosalind Jones, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Drake Cargis, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Art, Communication Studies, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Alyssa Maffeo, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Austin Moose, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Michaela Murray, Dayton, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Heather Newton, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Courtney Pringle, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Katie Shade, Albion, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Kirsten Smith, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Patrick Ware, Imperial, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Corey Weefing, Bemis Point, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Olivia Wood, Berlin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Monica Anderson Ryan, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Kevin Atherley, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Kristen Baker, Carnival, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Cammy O'Bear, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Manan Bakush, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice. Brooke Bennett, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Drew Burdick, Smith, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Alec Colasmo, Warren, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Tyler Conroe, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice. Sydney Chrisman, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice. Lisa Donato, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Zalata Dzambic, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Natasia Finbay, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Kevin Graham, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Cameron Horning, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Victoria Johnson, Sharon, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Sage Johnston, Mariana, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Selena Jones, Charlotte, North Carolina, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Tyler Kavlik, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Jacob Winkeroff, Pittsfield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Austin Matthews, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Michael Mayer, Vermont, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Bradley Metzler, Allison Park, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Skylar Overbeck, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Andrew O'Rourke, Kane, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Ryan Polachina, Ravenna, Ohio, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Matthew Buda, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Ashley Radcliffe, Springboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Shamika Royster, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Tessa Sikora, Pulaski, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Gregory Snyder, Harbor Creek, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts in Criminal Justice.
Dana Townsend, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Madison Bonser, Mars, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Patrick Brodnax, Brentwood, Tennessee, Bachelor of Arts, English and Sociology.
Lakin Brummagem, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Laura Carpenter, Franklin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Christina Gilbert, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts,
Go ahead, Sarah.
Sarah Hosey, Newcastle, PA, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Go ahead, Taylor. Go ahead.
Kayla Johnson, Kennedy, New York, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Sydney Kurtz, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Go ahead.
Elizabeth Power, Wexford, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Give her a couple seconds. Go ahead.
Alan Profiter, Townville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Go ahead,
Rachel
Rachel.
Taylor, Conneautville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, English, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Go ahead, Riley.
Riley White, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, English.
You go ahead. Take your time.
Tyler Barnhart, Shakora, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, History.
I will. Give him a couple seconds. Go ahead, Harry.
Harry Hicks, Savannah, Georgia, Bachelor of Arts, History.
Nicholas Jonas, Enid Valley, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, History.
Go ahead.
Lauren Arthur, Baltimore, Maryland, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Robert Bell, Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Mary Bull, Seneca, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Kaylee Higyavis, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Dabney Lineberry, Lenox, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Betty Jo Lyons, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Samantha Marsh, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Corey Myers, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Rebecca Miskevich, Buffalo, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Independent Studies.
Malachi Diego, Baltimore, Maryland, Bachelor of Arts, Undergraduate Study.
Rachel Perrick, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Nicole Rose, Johnsonburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Michaela Schroyer, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Jacob Schumann, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Isaac Taylor, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Casey Farrer, Clarence Center, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Mark Voorhees, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Marissa Webb, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Samuel Ziff, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Eugene Barito, East Aurora, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Georgette Bridget, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Terrence Cheeks, Newburgh, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Jenna Conklin, Norton, Ohio, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Kayla Frick, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Yuko Hojisada, Tokyo, Japan, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Go ahead, Sarah. Go ahead.
Sarah Gillingham, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Go ahead,
Christina Granis, Boone Township, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Gabriel Hypes, Weirton, West Virginia, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Mackenzie J., Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Bryson McLeod, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Michaela Leachy, Clearfield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism, Public Relations.
Michael McLaughlin, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations. Bachelor of Science, Human Performance.
Marsha Morgan, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Go ahead.
Christopher Mullins, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Milan Houston, Washington, D.C., Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Dakota Palmer, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Taylor Jean Shodel, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Andrew Turner, Charleston, South Carolina, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Hannah Webster, Caledonia, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Matthew Wickett, St. Mary's, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Natalie Weepert, Buffalo, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Tyler Wilhelm, Elwood City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Julie Zarnick, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations.
Caitlin Halleck, Bradford, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Music.
Allison Jeffords, Clarence, New York, Bachelor of Arts, Music.
And I can't give it back to you either. Go ahead.
Matthew Lowther, Union City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Music.
Dylan Stockhausen, Bachelor of Arts, Music.
Brent Keitlinger, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Political Science.
Taylor Moses, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Political Science.
Graham Plevris, Medina, Ohio, Bachelor of Arts, Political Science.
Alexa Story, Bachelor of Arts, Political Science.
Shakira Allen, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Brian Barton, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Laura Chandler, Wattsburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Tammy Ogden, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Congratulations, AD. Thank you. I'll have to tell Bruce. Go ahead.
Andrew Pazzi, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Taylor Rasman, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Go ahead.
Siri Anderson, Allen, Texas, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Adara Bartlett, Pottsville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Lauren Bartley, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Ryan Buechner, Venus, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Sarah Bennett, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Erica Berger, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Devin Christian, State College, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Malik Clary, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Sarah Coggins, Middlefield, Ohio, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Kayla Craddy, Parker, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Lydia DeVaught Arn, Columbus, Ohio, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Rebecca Donahue, Greensburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Art. Sara Dragovich, Monroeville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Brooke Earl, Rochester, New York, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Caitlin Brumholzer, Bridgeville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Nick Gelman, Johnstown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Julie Henthorn, Akron, Ohio, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Christian Herman, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Kristen Horkey, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Laura Kiesling, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Anita Bobbles, New York, Applied Media Arts.
Kashawn Howell, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Jack Huffnagel, Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Asuka Kato, Saitama, Japan, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Shelby Kirk, Weirton, West Virginia, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Rebecca Korf, Cabot, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Catherine Kress, Rock Creek, Ohio, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Colin Lauber, Millerstown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Shelley Leibensberger, Oriksburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Ashley Lewis, Fairview, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Erin.
Erin Long, Greenville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Carly Lubick, Latrobe, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Donna Brown, Millerstown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Princess.
Francesca Magali, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Tristan Miller, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Sarah Moose Torres, Farrell, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead.
Kevin Matko, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Ethan Nan, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Computer Animation.
James Perdot, Oakdale, PA, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Stephen Piazzik, Chicopee, Massachusetts, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Kelly Preisner, Irwin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Alex.
Alexandra Reiner, Telford, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Mary.
Mary Rhodes, Boulder, Colorado, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead.
Alexandria Reiger, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Luke.
Luke Scrivener, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Tristan.
Tristan Sharon, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Dan.
Daniel Scalos Nailitz, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead.
Hannah Skamai, Roll Valley, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead.
Samantha Smith, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Kyle Snyder, Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Matt.
Matthew Spade, Coalport, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Olivia.
Olivia Specht, Painesville, Ohio, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead.
Brian Tellis, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Quinn.
Quinn Thompson, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Fiona Tooley, North Wales, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Lizzie. Go ahead.
Lizzie Vandershaft, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Rachel.
Rachel Walsh, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Shaywan Zhu, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead.
Natasha Zook, Camp Hill, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Go ahead, Sarah.
Sarah Alou, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Adam.
Adam Barr, Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts, Bachelor of Science, Secondary Education, Social Studies, Bachelor of Science, Art Education.
Go ahead.
Cassandra Besant, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Ben.
Bethany Butler, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Melissa.
Melissa Dix, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead,
Chelsea
Chelsea.
Featherland, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Amanda.
Amanda Falutz, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Michael.
Michael Graham, Sharpsville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Andrew.
Andrew Harbold, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead.
Yuri Hayashi, Kyoto, Japan, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead.
Christine Holefeld,
Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Nathan Jeffrey, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Leanne LaRiviere, Thetford, Vermont, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Brian Lutz, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Chandler McGraw, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Jeffrey McManigal, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts. Bradley Milligan, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Shannon Murray, Midland, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Nathan Nespaul, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Courtney Powell, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Alyssa Rodebach, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead, Michaela. Go ahead.
Michaela Smith, Boalsburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Fine Arts and Studio Arts.
Letitia Colley, Washington, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Art Education.
Bianna Eckstein, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Art Education, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Go ahead.
Juan Garnica, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Seems like you just started. Go ahead.
Lourdes Amador, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services.
Go ahead,
Tyler
Tyler.
Cracian, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services.
So excited for you. Go ahead.
Loretta Paisley, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services. Rachel Pinedo, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services. Margaret Sims, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services.
Will the candidates for associate and baccalaureate degrees from the College of Science and Health Professions please come forward?
Go ahead. Take your time. Go ahead.
Marinella Banovic, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor's of Arts, Biology.
Nicole Chabot, Avon, Ohio, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Rebecca Cochran, Oil City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Morgan Joseph, Katanning, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Art, Biology.
Janelle Linden, Corey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Krista Miller, Port Allegheny, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Tiffany Pazowski, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Justin Smith, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Sharia Taylor, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Megan Youngkin, Girard, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Cass Weinheimer, Northeast Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Chemistry.
Gina Casado, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Arts, Earth Science.
Angelica Byron, Bachelor of Arts, Geography.
Adam Omer, Bachelor of Arts, Geography.
Sidwana Money, Whitehall, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Jenna Baird, Mentor, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
John Condon, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Chelsea Gale, Old Bridge, New Jersey, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Harrison Hewitt, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Christiana Hosher, Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Shelby Humes, Cambridge Springs, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Keisha Lambert, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Christopher Paskey, West Springfield, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Emily Porter, Valencia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Ty Schneider, Panama, New York, Bachelor of Science, Biology, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Kendra Taylor, Conneautville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Joel Lohr, Palmyra, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry.
Aaron O'Brien, Tonawanda, New York, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry.
Nicole Wagner, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry.
Jason Durso, Greenville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry.
Josh Anderson, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Rachel Bennett, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Tristan Brummagem, Warren, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Zachary Gransberry, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Chase Gregory, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Brandon Levesque, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Matthew McAllister, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, Mathematics.
Cassidy McCleary, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Michael Sutton, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Nicole Bukowski, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, Biology. Emma Dagger, St. Mary's, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, Biology.
Zachary Shuddy, Bachelor of Science, Environmental Science, Biology.
Ahmed Al-Badawi, Iraq, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Shannon Connor, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Joshua Dennis, Cambridge Springs, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Christopher Laird, Kane, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Jennifer Lane, Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Eric Marks, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Molly Reagan, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Stephen Rutherford, Georgetown, Guyana, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Nicholas Seaman, Franklin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Chandler Brooks, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration.
Alexis Haynes, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration.
Craig Harwood, Wattsburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering Administration.
Edis Hukic, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration.
Jacobo Morazan, Tegucigalpa, Honduras, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering Administration.
Chris Phillips, Corey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering Administration.
Christopher Smith, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering Administration.
Matthew Paschke, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics.
Rachel Chapman, Clarion, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Sarah Venanti, Du Bois, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Medical Technology.
Michelle Benna, Bachelor of Science, Nuclear Medicine Technology.
Isabella Galena, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Nuclear Medicine Technology.
Jonathan Nicholas, Bachelor of Science, Nuclear Medicine Technology.
Autumn Wolfgang, Franklin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Nuclear Medicine Technology.
Jeremiah Petrick, Bachelor of Science, Physics.
Caden Anantaro, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Emily Angelone, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Danielle Babcock, Greenville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Stacy Shoemaker, Mount Airy, Maryland, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Emily Barber, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Morgan Baradusi, Guys Mills, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Lauren Bynack, Evansburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Kirsten Fielding, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Hannah Fitzgerald, Oswego, New York, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Carly Gilbert, Conyaville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Mary Greer, Fairfax, Virginia, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Michelle Grasso, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Katie Henry, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Elizabeth Howard, Towanda, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Julia Hughes, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Amanda Joseph, St. Lucia, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Matthew Kowaleski, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Dee Montanez, Leesburg, Virginia, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Deandra Masora, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Elizabeth Myers, Gowanda, New York, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Tiani Doe Campbell, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Emma Olson, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Chelsea Osman, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Joseph Ray, Orwell, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Alexa Sunny, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Nicholas Stankavage, Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Ashley Stiller, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Associate of Science, Computer Science.
Adam Tartaglia, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Ashley Taylor, Conneautville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Kayla Thompson, Transfer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Kristen Thompson, Gibsonia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Gina Thornburg, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Lindsay Wingard, Greenville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Carly Wyrick, Brookville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Kimberly Zimmer, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Rachel Bernhardt, Albion, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Carly Bolts, East Brady, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Chloe Bond, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Raquel Bernstein, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Allison Boyd, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Monica Brown, Mercer, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Emily Burkhardt, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Taylor Carrier, McCain, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Hope Cooks, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Deja Darden, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Andrew Davis, Cambridge Springs, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Jessica Dietz, Kersey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Megan Farrell, Tynesta, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Molly Freeborough, Warren, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Anthony Hinshaw, Buffalo, New York, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
LaToya Hutchinson, Calgary, Alberta, Canada, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Amy Ianello, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Kevin Jametz, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Januka Katka, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Amanda Kimmy, Corey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Kimberly King, Gowanda, New York, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Mary Lashevsky, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Tara Lutz, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Anna Marhefka, East Hampton, Massachusetts, Milton Hershey, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Brenda Mucha, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Stephanie Nye, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Lisa Honorado, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Fawn Pabin, Bachelor of Science, Social Work. Zoel Rowan, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Cassandra Seta, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Stacy Stafford, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Social Work.
Kayla Bittner, Du Bois, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Lindsay Voss, Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, Bachelor in Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Hannah Bronner, Westminster, Maryland, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Alexandra Carroll, Waterford, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Jolene Chobe, North Huntington, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Carly Krastowski, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Jessica Coogan, Oil City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Miranda DeLue, Avon, New York, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Jenna DiGiamarino, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Developmental Disabilities.
Victoria Donnelly, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Molly Eiler, Monaca, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Madeline Fournier, Ridgeway, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Moira Fortney, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Erin Gordon, Mentor, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Michaela Gosser, Greenville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Elsie Growald, Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Kelsey Leisure, Wattsburg, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Mary Jo Pearl, Silver Creek, New York, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Emily Parabusnik, Trafford, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Science.
Janelle Pursuit, Ambridge, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Teresa Rada, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Amanda Schaffner, Belleville, Illinois, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Lauren Seabush, Mentor, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences, Associate of Arts, Human Services and Developmental Disabilities.
Hannah Stahl, Lehman, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Sydney Trathan, Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Allison Trokey, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Corbett Volkwine, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Sciences, Speech and Hearing Science.
Sydney Weber, Fombell, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences. Margaret Weglin, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences. Kylie Young, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences.
Rachel Ackman, Erie, Pennsylvania, Bachelor in Science of Nursing.
Colleen Broadman, Allison Park, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Victoria Burgess, Uniontown, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Jennifer Butlin, DuBois, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Marissa Kasbaum, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Sarah Deschard, Cassadaga, New York, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Colleen Diodati, Lionsville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Nathan Dewar, Zelienople, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Brianne Falkowski, Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Molly Fenton, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Madeline Fine, Bridgeville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Celeste Godwin, Bridgeville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Bailey Huff, Grove City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Melissa Kirby, Connellsville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Jacqueline Clocko, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Autumn Christ, Butler, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Leah Kaczynski, Ridgeway, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Shalyn Litweiler, Conneaut Lake, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Natalie Lund, Corey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Cassidy Merritt, Valent, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Caitlin McCrae, Corey, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Catherine McKinley, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science of Nursing.
Cassidy McInnes, Brockway, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Natalie Nye, New Galilee, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Kathy Potts, Union City, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Haley Schmidt, Bulger, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Ashley Simon, Tynesta, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Sean Smith, Harrisville, Pennsylvania, Bachelors of Science in Nursing.
Bryce Snell, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Brooke Thomas, Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Courtney Trout, Albion, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Sarah Vinca, Smethport, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Erica Wagner, Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Morgan Youngs, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Caitlin Zellman, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Caitlin Ziegler, Kingsville, Ohio, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Matthew Brundage, Columbus, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Sciences, Applied Technology.
Brian Capizzello, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Dustin Crum, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Kyle Dunkel, Sigel, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Nicholas Dunn, Tawana, Pennsylvania, Associate Applied Science, Applied Technology.
David Gardner, Montrose, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Lucas Graham, Winesville, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Cody Hayes, Cockerton, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology. Nevin Jones, Sagertown, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Kelly Jones, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Jason Yerkowitz, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Dakota Kelly, Troy, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Roger Kephart Jr., Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania, Associates of Applied Science and Applied Technology.
Joshua Lindsay, Northeast Pennsylvania, Associate in Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Kenny McGowan, Edinboro, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Brandon Morton, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Brian Plecknett, East Springfield, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Sciences, Applied Technology.
Catlin Pondell, Corey, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Lance Proctor, Union City, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Joshua Tarosky, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Frankie Weiss, Towanda, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Walker West, Troy, Pennsylvania, Associates of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Aaron Wolf, Northeast Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Joseph Zackrell, Freiburg, Pennsylvania, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Kristen Curtis, Franklin, Pennsylvania, Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering Administration, Associate of Engineering Technology, Manufacturing.
Aaron Hanks, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Engineering Technology, Manufacturing.
William Welton, Associate of Engineering Technology, Manufacturing.
Michael Deckert, Erie, Pennsylvania, Associate of Science, Computer Science.
Zachary Leonard, Allen, Texas, Associates of Science, Computer Science.
Larry McFarland, Associate of Science, Computer Science.
Sarah Fowler, Associate of Science, Pre-Pharmacy, Lee-Com.
I thought it was only going to be 60 degrees today, but I think I overdressed. I will now ask the graduating class to stand for one final ceremonial act. All right. They haven't done the ceremonial act yet. You have to wait. All right. When you arrived, you were instructed to place your tassel on the right side of your mortarboards. I ask you now as a group to move your tassels to the left side to signify your graduation. You may be seated. That's a lot of noise just to be seated. Now I ask the faculty of the university to stand and face our graduates. Will the class of 2018, in your new role as alumni of the university, and all those who are present here today, please join me in acknowledging the contributions of our distinguished faculty in preparing our students to meet the challenges and opportunities of the future. Thank you. You may be seated. I will now return the podium to the provost so he can begin the second half of our program. I couldn't help myself. Sorry. Mr. Provost.
Hello again. Yes, I suggested that we inaugurate a new tradition, a multi-part essay analyzing and evaluating your graduation performance, but I was vetoed. Seemed like a good idea to me. Now that we have many new alumni in the audience, delivering greetings on behalf of the Edinboro University Alumni Association is Scott Erlbacher, President of the Association's Board of Directors. Please give him a warm welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Fisher. This says good morning, but good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to the newest graduates of Edinboro University. On behalf of the Board of Directors for the Edinboro University Alumni Association, I'm happy to share that your free lifetime membership in the association starts now. This is a membership in an organization that is over 65,000 members strong, who each value their time at this university. This is indeed a special place, and that's why the final line of our alma mater reads, "To thee our hearts belong." So no matter how far you go, no matter how long it takes you to get back here, Edinboro will always belong in your heart, and it will always feel like home. Again, congratulations, and go Borough.
Several acknowledgements are in order before we conclude the program. We would like to thank the University Commencement Committee, whose names are listed at the end of the program. We acknowledge the assistance of our interpreter, Michelle Kretzing. We express special appreciation to our pipers and drummers, directed by Dr. Patrick Regan. The members of the Edinboro University Singers and Chorale, directed by Craig McGaughey. The Highland Ambassadors, the ROTC Cadet Corps, and other student volunteers who assisted with today's events. As we conclude our commencement exercises, we will be led by members of our Edinboro University Singers and Chorale in singing the Alma Mater, which is printed in the back of your program. Please rise for the Alma Mater and remain standing for the recessional.